Hello, niece and nephew, it's Uncle Ben. Welcome to physics class. Today, we talk about electromagnetic induction. Haiyah. Why you want to study this? You want to become engineer or you just want to cry in exam hall? If you fail this, don't blame Uncle Ben, blame your phone. Okay, listen, 5-star topic, we go fast. Time is money and you have no money. Part 1, magnetic flux. First, Uncle Ben need ingredients. Ingredients for induction is magnetic flux, simple Phi. What is flux? It is the number of magnetic field lines passing through an area. Imagine magnetic field is spaghetti. Flux is how much spaghetti go into your mouth. So the formula for magnetic flux is Phi equals to BA cosine theta. But be careful here. Many students stupid. They see angle in question, they just put in calculator. No. The angle theta is between magnetic field and normal vector of area. Normal vector just means arrows sticking out 90 degrees from the surface. If the magnetic field is perpendicular to the area, theta is 90 degrees. Cos 90 is 0, magnetic flux is 0, no spaghetti in mouth, starving. Haiyah. Also, we have magnetic flux linkage, big simple Phi. This is just for coil with many turns. The formula is Phi equals to N Phi. N is number of turns, more flavor. Part 2, induced EMF. Now we start cooking. This one discovered by Faraday. He put magnet in coil, move it around. When magnet move, current flow. When magnet stop, current stop. Just like your motivation to study, stop moving, zero result. This is Faraday's law. It says that induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of flux. Equation is epsilon equals to negative d phi dt. If coil have many turns, you put n in front of d phi dt. But why got negative sign? This is Lenz's law. It says that current always flow to oppose the charge that caused it. If magnetic flux try to increase, then say no. If magnetic flux try to decrease, then say no, come back. Lenz is very toxic boyfriend, very controlling. We use right hand grip rule to find direction of magnetic field. Or a straight conductor, use right hand palm rule. Don't use wrong hand. If you use left hand, that is for toilet, not for physics. Now, Uncle Ben will give you special recipe for EMF. For straight conductor, you cut magnetic field like cutting vegetable. Epsilon equals to BLV sine theta. For coil, if magnetic field change, epsilon equals to negative NA dB dt. If area change, epsilon equals to negative NB dA dt. Now, for rotating coil, this one fancy. Epsilon equals to NBA omega sine omega t. This is how generator work. Alternating voltage, up and down, like Uncle Ben blood pressure watching you do math. Next topic, self-inductance. This is what happens when a coil is obsessed with itself. When current in the coil changes, magnetic flux in the same coil changes. So the coil induces its own EMF. We call it back EMF. It fights the current. If current try to go up, back EMF pull it down. If current try to go down, back EMF pull it back up. This coil have trust issues. The symbol for self-inductance is L, and the formula is L equals to N Phi over I. Unit is Henry. Fuiyoh. Very gentlemanly. If you are solenoid, you calculate L using the formula L equals to mu naught N square A over L. Don't forget, mu naught is the permeability of free space. Now we talk about energy stored. Why we use inductor? Because it stores energy. Just like how Uncle Ben stored MSG in cupboard, essential. Energy stored in magnetic field formula is very simple. U equals to half Li squared. Make sure current is squared. If you forget square, you are failure. Just go home. Last one, mutual inductance. This is story of two coils, coil 1 and coil 2. When current in coil 1 change, it produces flux. This flux travel to coil 2, then coil 2 get induced EMF. It's like secondhand smoking. Coil 1 smoke, coil 2 get sick. Mutual inductance. Formula for mutual inductance M is M equals to mu naught N1 N2A over L. You see, we combine N1 and N2. They marry now. Also, EMF in second coil depend on current change in first coil. Epsilon 2 equals to negative M di dt. Okay, that is electromagnetic induction. Go to exam practice now. You do work, not me. If you get something wrong, check your unit. Flux is Weber, inductance is Henry. Don't mix them up like Jamie Oliver mixed chili jam and rice. Disgusting. Okay, that's all from Uncle Ben. Bye bye, niece and nephew.